Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
Today, we'll learn how to talk about what you like, and how often you do it. When we talk about things we like, love, or enjoy, we use a verb with ing. Be careful. We say I like drawing, not I like to draw in this pattern. We can also say how often we do it, with frequency adverbs. Milo likes drawing. He usually draws after school. Lola loves swimming. She always swims on Saturday. Kiko enjoys riding his bike. He sometimes rides with friends. Emma never watches TV in bed. Use like, love, enjoy plus ing to talk about hobbies. Add a frequency word to show how often.